you see this opportunity, you'll be asking, am I sure this will for me? Now listen to me. We are seeing market moving bullish and market moving bearish. And each time the market is moving bearish, you try this strategy, you try these ones, and you try another one. At the end of the day, you end up entering trade, expecting it to maybe give you winnings. At the end of the day, you come back regretting, and you are now filled with tears because everything is now red. Now listen to me. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a simple strategy. I called it VIP golden entry point. It's as simple as anything. If you can be patient enough to follow this simple strategy, I'm telling you that I'm giving you 97% of you making money during forex trading. Please stay tuned in this video because it's going to be a surprise how you will start counting in your hundreds, how you will start counting in dollars, how you start counting your profits without missing anything. Now, let's get straight to the point. Remember that my name is GDFX. I am a forex trader. I trade and I also mentor people. Please, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my students all over the world, all my seniors, everyone around the world. Thank you for joining us in our training last time. Thank you, though the number was not that much because of the time and what we experienced through the Zoom. So for some of you who tried to join, but because of one reason or the other, you were not able to join, at least the class is here. This thing. And some of you who have not stayed in the class, please don't feel so bad because some other time you will join us. It's not that you are not qualified to that, but there are things you should learn. There are classes to pass through. After that, next time, if you are due for the class, then I will join you. Okay, now let's just get straight to the point. Take this simple information. Number one, this strategy works for crash 500, boom 500, crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 300, boom 300. It also works for step index. It also works for volatility. It's also all the volatilities. It also works for currency. And if you are trading Binance, please, this strategy also helps you to identify your move, and it's very, very simple to do. Now, look at my screen. Just look at your screen. As you're watching this video now, just look at what I'm about to do now. If you do this, patiently follow it, and you will see that it's 100% possible for you to do that. Don't skip this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, just touch that red button. And to my subscribers, thank you for coming to stopping by. And to you who want to subscribe now, you will not regret you do that. Number one benefit is that when you subscribe, it helps you to be notified each time we drop our videos. Take it from me, I am not just here to get your views. I am here to get a view from you and also for you to get the dollars from me. That is it, because each time you watch our videos, it will guide you, put you through in your forex life, and at the end of the day, you smile to the bank and you cash out. By so doing, the video you watched is not in vain. All right, watch the screen now. I'm about to teach you something that will help you. As simple as that. Now, each time you enter your trade, this strategy, the time frame you will be using to identify the confirmed entry point is 1 hour time frame. Is 1 hour time frame. Get that? Is 1 hour time frame. And the zoom level is, this is the zoom out. I zoom in 1, I zoom in 2. This is the 2 or 3 zoom level. You possibly use this one. This is the zoom 2. This is the one I am using. Please get that. This is the one I am using. Now, how do you enter the trade as I have instructed you? How does this strategy works? Number one thing you should look out for is, do this now, touch this place, take this block inside, mark this thing you are seeing here like this. Why are you marking these things? You are marking on all your resistance, all your support levels. Each time you see a consolidation like this, some of us ignore these things, but it's one of the most important things that helps us to enter trade. Number one, once you see this ranging thing like this, don't be too fast to assume. Don't be too fast to assume that it's now a sell zone. Don't do that. Don't assume that it's now a sell zone. Like here now, first thing you should do is something like this. You can do this, or you can open this thing like this. There is a way you can do it. You can open this thing like this. Follow me. If you can do this thing I'm doing now, you're on your way to hit at least your first open like this. Just touch here, the thing will be open, something like this. Why do you have to do this? You have to do it because you are using this particular right angle triangle to get all your present support and resistance level at the same time. You will watch what happened inside this right angle triangle. Now listen, and another thing that you'll be needing is the moving average. Anytime you see the moving averages, is making a curve like the ones we have here now. Each time you see the moving average is making a curve, and each of these curves you are seeing is signifying something of interest. Now you have seen that this thing has not break out from here, and this one has not broken out from this place. And look at the shape of this very one. Check it out now. Look at the shape now. And you can see that this thing is, sometimes you will judge the market based on this, but don't forget that you have a resistance level at this place. You also have a resistance level at this very place. Don't forget that. So the market is trying to find a means to go uptrend. At the end of the day, it is not possible because the resistance level is not too strong. I mean, the resistance level is strong. Then coming below this place, the support zone is also strong, making this market a consolidation at the moment. Even though it has once broken from this place, but it has not given it a confirmed entry that is now a pure downtrend. Now what happened? How do you enter this trade, and how sure are you that you are about to take some dollars to your pocket? Number one thing you should do, just bring out this block like this. If you bring it, make sure you place them at the top of the previous resistance levels, and also your support levels. Get that? Your previous resistance levels and your support levels. Now once you place it, watch the shape of the moving averages. What is your 200 moving average? Is the 200 moving average below or on top? If the 200 moving average is below, like this one now is below, which means that the market has been on uptrend, but now the moving averages, the lower moving average is 50, 25, or 21 moving average is indicating that this market wants to go down, but it has not crossed this thing. So in as much as it has not been able to cross this thing, what do? You watch it from the previous resistance levels. So for that reason, you don't have any other choice than to wait. If this market will break out, get this is from GDFX. If this market will break out from here, sorry about these things, I don't know why. If this market will break out from here, you should enter your trade after this place. Get it? Because it has finally broken out from these resistance levels. The next candle that will open after this place is a bullish candle that even if it will spike here, it will spike, definitely it will spike. But from there to this place, you have taken something, because if this thing should be a candle like this in your 1 minute or 5 minutes time frame, you must have taken about 30 candles. By so doing, you have taken something. And if, at this point, you just take your trade and watch. If the market breaks out from this place again, that means you will see multiple candles that will surprise you. Then paraventure, the thing refused to dance to that tune, and it finally break out from this very direction. You know what happened? It will be there's going to be a little challenge from this particular place. It will go up and retrace more, test the strength of the 200 average. It will test it. At the end of the day, it will drop you to this particular place, making this place your final support zone. If it fail to retrace back from here and continue pulling down, that means that something is happening. But how else do you confirm that you are about to get something from here? Now look down to your RSI, check this place. Immediately this place touched down from here. Do you get that? To this place. Get it again. But in this particular one I placed now, something is happening. The market has touched the 90 levels, which is the green line. Get it? And it has started reversing. So it's about to touch the 70. Remember that if this thing will be spiking down to this place, before this thing will get to this resistance level, this very one, watch my RSI, this very alligator must get to 10 levels. And each time you see this thing touched at 10 levels, you don't need to be reminded, or you don't need to be informed to get out of the market. You should get out of the market, because at this point, we are expecting a reversal. This is how simple it is. This is how simple it is. Anytime you confirm this thing from this higher time frame, that this market has finally breaking out from your higher time frame, any drama you are seeing on a lower time frame is no longer your business. But the condition for this is that you must be able to have a capital, not just $10, not just $20. Get it? And there is one lucky thing about this particular thing I'm teaching you now. If this thing you are saying will break out like this, and at that point this thing is breaking out, is when you use your $10 or $20 to enter your trade, which means that you'll be surprised that the $10 or $20 you are seeing will continue to give you profits. You will be surprised how $20 will close to $50 because you entered at the right time. So stop trading on a consolidation position. It's very, very wrong. My name is GDFX. I want to make this video very simple. And if you are looking for mentorship, because take the indicators in case you don't have it, because anybody that knows those that I enjoy so much, some of the things I enjoyed on forex trading, on my personal trading is MACD, Bollinger Band, Ichimoku, Stochastic Oscillator, RSI, but my favorite is moving average. Once I have my moving average, I am sure of what I'm doing. And you know that one of the secrets is candlestick pattern, right? Okay, so this is the indicators. In case you don't know it, some of us who were in the class, maybe last week or thereabouts, in our live trend, you should have these things, because it is what I used to train you people. That is why I call it VIP. All right, that's why I call it VIP. So check it. If you need mentorship, please feel free to contact GDFX. I don't cheat people. And let me generally say this thing. Some people are using my name to ask for payment. I don't ask people to pay me for strategy. Every strategy I drop on YouTube is free. And I don't give private indicators for money. I don't do that. Whoever that is chatting you, telling you to give you money, that you should give the person money for that they are doing, it's not me. First and foremost, we must chat on our WhatsApp. And if we chat on WhatsApp, there are questions I will ask you. And I will be dropping some of the testimonies, some of the profits. Some people are really, I'm impressed. Seriously, I'm impressed. Some people are making millions, thousands of dollars. Some are even saying that, why didn't I saw you at my early stage of trading? So please, I don't indicator moving average trend now, 200 moving average, 200 moving average, 200 moving average 10. Yes. This is just few of the ones I can lay my hand. Your mentorship is something else. This is one of my students, and I am very impressed. Just to hold on, just imagine somebody entering a trade and ending up with such a profit. You know that is something else. Let's go back to the indicators. Let's go back to the indicators. So the indicators, the relative strength index is 1. Choose your color and choose your levels. You know, I don't pay much attention to these things because they are everywhere. Some people can just watch your video. Once they look at the screen, they know what it is. This is alligator. It's always the ones I use. Okay, it's always the ones I use. If you need mentorship, please chat me up, contact me. I'm telling you the truth, you will not regret it. Remember, in every cross there is a signal. In every cross there is a signal. This block I drop here now, there is no how this market can remain here forever. It must either go up or go down. So, and any of these breakouts is a signal. That is how it works. Thank you. I remain GDFX. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kindness. I really appreciate all my students all over the world. Remain blessed and please be dollar filled. Thank you.